In this video, I'm going to show you evidence that retail right now has not yet entered the markets and that the price of Bitcoin can go way higher than we are right now. Okay guys, let's jump straight into it. If you like these videos, sure to leave a thumbs up. If you are new, make sure to subscribe down below. And what we are looking right here is at the Google search term Bitcoin price worldwide from the past, from 2004 till today. And what we can see is that a lot of people were searching for the term Bitcoin price in 2017, but also in 2021. And both of these peaks in the Google searches resulted in the peak of the Bitcoin price. And it makes very much sense because when people want to know the Bitcoin price, you are going to Google the Bitcoin price left or right. If you are going to Google Bitcoin, you might want to find out, what is Bitcoin? You're actually maybe in the early stages of entering your Bitcoin adventure. But if you are searching for the Bitcoin price, you're really focused on the price. You might be a trader, speculator, or investor, but at least one of the three, which is important. Because when this thing is up, when this thing goes up, it basically means that retail is entering. People are Googling for the Bitcoin price, those search terms spikes, and then most of the time, actually all the time, it corresponds with a Bitcoin top. So this high was in December 2017. If we go right here to the BLX chart, we can see December 2017 was exactly the peak in the Bitcoin price. And then the next one was right here in February 2021. So then we go back to the BLX and then we go to February 2021. Also corresponds with the top in the Bitcoin price. Very, very interesting. And what we are seeing right now, guys, is that even though Bitcoin's price is going up, we are not yet seeing that big of a spike in the interest. And even if we compare it to the previous bull market, so we go to the past 5-year historical search terms for this specific search term, then we can also see that we have seen a small spike. We see some momentum coming for this search term for Bitcoin, some interest that is increasing, but we have seen nothing yet. We have really seen nothing yet. It is just starting right here. So it's actually quite bullish. I have to say that Bitcoin is trading already so high or so far or so deep in the bull market. Well, nobody is actually awake. Retail is not there yet. So that basically means that you and me both are still very early, even though we are quite far in the bull market, right? And if we have a look at a couple of scenarios, so let me draw some scenarios for you guys. So some people would say like this: we ended a multi-year long bear market. I know I published this video from Robert Prechter. He say we are something like this, where we have an A, B, C. Well, if that were to be the case, I don't believe that. I don't think that that's the case. Definitely not. But I do share some of his perspective, which I will come up in a bit. If this were to be the case, this B wave can go way higher than from the levels that we are right now, and we have seen nothing yet in terms of retail coming back. So that is also bullish. If we have a 16-year cycle where we go and we top somewhere in this yellow box right here, we also have a long way to go. We still have till the roughly till September of 2024, where we can top. Then we could see a multi-year long bear market. I see this as a very potential scenario. But I don't want to neglect that we also could form a regular 4-year cycle where Bitcoin is just chopping and will top eventually late 2025, somewhere right here, where this red arrow is right here. So I made these red arrows for potential tops. That would be the most bullish scenario. Either case, in all of these scenarios, the bearish, bullish, we still haven't seen retail coming into this space, which is actually a very, very positive sign, because even though if Bitcoin were to look bearish, you want to see that spike in retail, you want to see speculation going on, you want to see the action basically reaching its peak momentum, and right now we just haven't seen that. So I think this is definitely very, very bullish. One thing to note though is that the peak right here, or not, if we go back to the complete historical chart, the peak of 2017 was higher than the peak of 2021. That scares me personally a little bit. Why? Because if you have a look at the trading volume, at the moving average of the trading volume in 2017 and 2021, it was higher in 2017. So it looks like that the peak activity was higher in 2017 than in 2021. So that means that we don't have only diminishing returns, but we also get a decrease in the amount of adoption. At least that's how it looks for me, guys. So this is something that I've talked about also in my previous videos, that we also could see a business cycle. Let me make my camera a little bit smaller, put it down here, where we coming up right here. And this is basically the top of the business cycle. And here we are slowly going to see, after a secular bull market, a secular bear market, which means that Bitcoin is losing momentum. This can be completely wrong. It's just worth noting that the trading volume in terms of a moving average was higher in 2017 than 2021, and that the search term for Bitcoin price also was higher in 2017 than 2021. If there are any reasons for it, if you have any other arguments for that, let me know in the comment section down below, guys, because I would be very, very interested in your opinion. But okay, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If so, smash up the like button. And guys, if you haven't seen my Bybit tutorials, you gotta check them out. I made so many videos on Bybit where I basically explain every single future that they have, from copy trading to creating your own trading bots using grids or using a webhook. But I'm also showing you some tricks how you basically can trade using market orders without paying any fees. So guys, I have a Bybit playlist. Make sure to check every single video from that playlist. And if you want to support, make sure to leave a thumbs up, of course, and subscribe if you haven't. Guys, wish you all a beautiful day. Hope to see every single one of you in the next video.